years ago, the Keim Courtyard was definitely a space that was in need of a lot of love. Students did the design work on it, Sweat Equity built it, we have great management going on, and the vision that we had for this space and what Mother Nature did with it has turned it into what we see today. The pond is intentionally the centerpiece of our space, and over these decades we've burned out some pumps, we've had to replace a little bit of liner, we've had to do some things with the stones, we've had turtles, we've had baby turtles. We've had plants that have come in on their own that we don't need, but the sound of the water and the fact that we have a pond in a courtyard on campus attracts all the people and all the wildlife. All that hard work and the passage of time has let us create a space that is beautiful, resilient, and restorative to give people that connection back to nature, relieve that stress, and let them enjoy the beauty of the world.